Treidhouse koolituskeskusesse on kogunenud väga palju kaunitare. Marta, räägi, millega on tegu?
Meil on väga hea meel, et meid külastab arst ja dermatoloog Dr. Karm Toonfeld Ameerikast ja täna on valitud kosmeetikutel võimalus tutvuda selle imelise brändiga, mis on meditsiinilise puudutusega ja looduslike koostisosadega.
Milline on aga Epion's loomislugu?
I developed Epion's to help me be a better doctor. I was a dermatologist for over 40 years. And I found that a lot of the skin problems, the common abnormalities that people would get, just weren't being treated well with the prescription products, and people didn't like using them. So I set out to try to figure out what the major driver was that caused the abnormalities, and then develop products that would be very nice, cosmetically elegant that people would like using. And that's what happened. But to do that, I wanted to make sure that we also could actually prove that they worked. Number 2, that they were safe. Number 3, that we would maintain quality. So we do all of our own manufacturing. And we were the first company to actually do studies proving that our products worked as well as many prescription products.
Mille poolest on Epion's nii eriline ja imeline?
Because we actually have proven that it works. We've proven safety. And we do our own manufacturing. None of those are required in the industry. And so the vast majority of the companies don't do that, don't go through those exercises. And so that way we make sure that people get high quality, they like using it, and it'll be consistent. So we actually have products that we made 12 years ago that still work.
Miks peab naha kaitsebarjääri esikohale seadma?
Kui naha kaitsebarjäär on häiritud, võivad kahjulikud välistegurid tungida nahka. Selle tagajärel võivad tekkida põletikud ja naha tundlikkus. Epionsi tooted aitavad nahabarjääri kaitsta ja uuendada.
Kuidas aga tuleks SPF toodet kasutada nii, et see tõepoolest kaitseks meie nahka?
Paljud inimesed võib-olla ei tea, et SPF kreemi tuleb kasutada ka talvel, kuna UV-kiirgus on nähtamatu ja kiirgab aastaringselt. Epionsil on selleks ideaalne SPF toode, mis sobib kasutamiseks meigi alla kui ka eraldi tootena. Epionsi tooted sisaldavad alt teejuurt, hõberemmelgast, kurgiekstrakti ja avokaadot. Selle tõttu need on väga niisutavad ja toitvad ning sobivad kõikidele näonaha tüüpidele. Nüüd on toote valikus ka ilma toonita SPF, mis on SPF 30 ja mõlemad tooted püsivad 80 minutit veekindlana. Epion's tooted sobivad kõikidele, igas vanusegrupis võivad alustada juba puberteedieas noored kui ka vanurid. Epionsi tooteid saab osta üle Eesti Treidhouse'i kauplustest.